Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to use the GeoDirectory plugin in WordPress. GeoDirectory is a WordPress plugin that allows us to create a business directory website within WordPress. We can build websites like yelp.com or justdial.com in WordPress with the help of the GeoDirectory plugin. So let's learn how to use the GeoDirectory plugin on your WordPress website. For that, first of all, we will need the GeoDirectory plugin, which we can download and install from Add Plugins. Then we need to activate it. So let's go ahead and activate it. As soon as we activate it, the GeoDirectory Setup Wizard appears where we see the message, "Welcome to the world of GeoDirectory." Then we are asked to select which map we want to use. One is Google Maps and the other is OpenStreetMap. Google Maps requires an API key which we get from Google Maps. So to use Google Maps, we will need an API key. OpenStreetMap can be used for free. If you want to set this up, you can click on continue. Next is the default location, where we can set the default location for our GeoDirectory. You will need to click on Show Advanced, where you can enter your city such as Lucknow, the region Uttar Pradesh, and the country is auto-selected as India. As soon as we enter this and set the UTC to Kolkata, and click on Set Address on Map, our default location is set. Once it is set, we click on Continue. Then we get, what directory features do you need? AyeCode Connect, Ninja Forms, UsersWP. These are the three plugins that GeoDirectory installs by default and are also used. So let's go ahead and install them. After clicking on install, these plugins will be automatically installed and activated. So this plugin is AyeCode Connect. It provides us with support and documentation in the dashboard, where if we take the paid add-ons for GeoDirectory, it contains the license key and the entire setup procedure. Ninja Forms provides us with booking forms which work on our GeoDirectory listings. UserWP allows the users of our GeoDirectory website to log in and register on the front end and update their profiles. So all three of our plugins are installed and activated, and we will continue. Now we come to content, dummy content. We can also import a full demo site from here, which is a premium feature of GeoDirectory. We can use this in the premium feature, but for now, in add to existing site, we get default data types like property for sale, property for rent, classifieds, and job board, which we can add as default listings or dummy data to our GeoDirectory site. So we will set up a job board from this, and the number of listings we want to add as dummy data can be managed from here. I have selected 20. And whether to update the template or not, that setting is managed from here. We will click on Insert Posts here. As soon as we click on Insert Posts, our GeoDirectory dummy data will be added to our website. Yes, 100% complete. Then we will click on Continue. Awesome, your directory is ready. So our GeoDirectory Setup Wizard is complete, and we will return to our WordPress dashboard. The default dummy data for jobs is now showing up here, and Ninja Forms is also visible. GeoDirectory settings are also added just as we added them in the Setup Wizard. The default location is also added, and then we will check it on the front end. Currently, we have the default WordPress theme, which is why the UI is not appearing correctly here. 2025, we will add a theme, Blockstrap, which is a theme supported by GeoDirectory. We will activate it. And as soon as we activate the Blockstrap theme, it gives us a warning message to activate the Blockstrap blocks plugin, which we will activate. Now our theme is activated and its recommended plugin is also activated. So a demo setup related to GeoDirectory is now ready on the front end, and we can see the jobs here. And users can also add listings here. Blocks are also added. So as a demo site, this Blockstrap theme is added. So let's talk in our next video about how to manage GeoDirectory settings and how to manage the add listing form in GeoDirectory. Which new fields we need to add or not, We will tell you about that in the next video. And along with that, we have a product, GeoBuddy. Its free version is available on wordpress.org, which is used with GeoDirectory. When we activate GeoBuddy, it provides us with some extra features for GeoDirectory, such as AI management, multi-step forms, a floating action bar, one-click templates, custom fields, and 8 plus advanced features. These are our advanced features which you can purchase from our WPGeoBuddy.com site. We currently have 10 premium add-ons such as GeoBuddy, Multi-Step Form, Confinity, GeoBuddy Weather, Announcement Bar, Broadcast Messages, and so on. We have 10 plus premium add-ons in this way. You can use all these add-ons. You can also use them individually and purchase them with a single site license, 5 site license, or an unlimited site license. You can also purchase our membership, which is $99 per year. In this, you will get 10 premium add-ons and you will also receive our future add-ons as they are released. So that's all for today's video. We also provide directory website development and consultation services. If you want any help related to directory website, you can book our free 30-minute consultation call with our experts. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon in next video.